guys, so another challenge for you guys. We didn't really know what to do. We were thinking of doing the pancake challenge, but we decided something else. What we're going to do is we'll have 9 cups for each of us, and then we're going to put water and blue dye. Blue dye. This is the water, so when we shoot the cups over here, when it pops, you'll see the water come out. Right? And then we're going to time each other to see how fast we can hit all the cups. Single burst on the M4 Airsoft. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, so 9 targets for John. I'm gonna step back. So about, I want to say about 30 feet away. See how fast we can do this? Alright, John, ready?
I'm ready, okay? I'm gonna show you in the style, okay? Ready to time it too?
Yep. Alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's going.
Oh! It's on safe!
I think we're out of gas.
I did pretty good, but the M4 got clogged up with BBs. Forgot to clean it with the silicone oil. But I blasted the last 4 of them, so out of 9 cups, I only got 5. So
As you can see.
Sorry, I blasted like the last 4. I didn't show you guys. But you 4 right there, AJ pointed this one right here. I'm gonna blast. I want to see how you guys.
So this one still got water. John's about to blast it up.
So that's how the water would look like when you shoot it. So I didn't blast that much, but I hope you guys enjoy. So it's gonna be AJ's turn. Let's see how he does. So these are AJ's cups, and yeah, I spread them out more. So this is AJ with the M4, and I'm going to be timing him. You guys can see right here. So 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Let's go get a close look.
He knocked one down. Okay, so he think he hit all of it. So 38 seconds. So we'll be recording in a little bit.
Right,
See you then.
so I got all 9 targets, but it took a while because I couldn't see the targets.
Lucky.
And then, as you can see the cups, I hit 1 mark for each. 1 is still full. That one's dead. And yeah, I'm gonna fuck this up.
Alright. AJ fully burst all of them. Go for it.
We're out of gas.
Again?
Yeah.
Alright. Say peace out, AJ.
So this faggot right here.
Yo, freaking cheese for you.
Man, his freaking N4 clogged up.
You ever get this feeling that we were meant to be? Well, suddenly a flash of light came shining on me. I started squinting at the light.
He did it better than one of me.
And realized it was God that was smiling down at me. And he said, listen, son, you need to make this quick. I'm here to help you.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say. I win.
Just don't get greedy, you're selfish, kid, just show respect. So I said, listen, Father, I say prayers every day. I want you to know that I'm happy that you came. You probably know already, but I'ma let you know. See, there's this girl in my life, but I can't let her go. She's always on my mind. Is she some sort of curse? I always think